Hi, I'm Matthew Bizzarro, your coach at Be Great in Real Estate. And if you're stepping into the world of real estate with dreams of becoming a success, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down 5 essential real estate terms every beginner should know. So let's jump right in. First, let's talk equity. Equity is essentially the part of your home you actually own. It's the current value of your property minus any debts you have on it, like a mortgage. And speaking of mortgage, that's our second term. A mortgage is a loan that helps you buy a property. Those buyers financing will be paying this back with interest over a set period, usually 30 years. Our third term is down payment. This is the initial payment you make when you're buying a property. It's a percentage of the total price and shows lenders you are serious. In New York City, most properties are 20% down. That means clients who are financing will be expected to get a mortgage for the remaining 80%. Now, let's discuss appraisals. This is the fourth term. An appraisal is a professional estimate of a property's value. If your clients are getting a mortgage, the bank will order an appraisal to ensure they are paying a fair price. And finally, we have closing costs. These are the fees and expenses you pay to finalize the purchase of your home. They can include appraisal fees, title insurance, and more. Closing costs vary wildly depending on the type of property that is being purchased or sold. Understanding these fundamentals is just the beginning. Whether you're aiming to help others find their dream home or manage properties, mastering real estate vocabulary is key to building your career. If you're interested in diving deeper into real estate, subscribe to Be Great in Real Estate and reach out to us for more resources to kickstart your journey as a real estate agent. Until next time, keep going, don't give up, and believe in yourself. Share your thoughts and comments below, and let's make this a year of breakthroughs and success.